I love making a DIY flaxseed gel mask to detangle my hair before my wash days, so let me show you how to make it. The ingredients you're going to need are whole flax seeds, a strainer, quarter measuring cup, a glass jar to put any leftover flaxseed gel that you have, and a cup measuring glass. So you're going to start off with adding 2.5 cups of water to a pot on the stove, and you want to bring this to a boil. Once it's boiled, you want to bring it to a medium heat and add your quarter cup of flax seeds to the water. Now make sure that these are whole flax seeds and not the grounded up kind, so that way they're easy to strain after they're done cooking. After about 6 to 8 minutes, you're going to notice the water getting thicker and kind of slippery, and that's exactly what we want. Once it reaches a gel-like consistency similar to egg whites, take it off the heat and it's time to strain it. Make sure to strain it while it's still hot because it starts to thicken as it cools. Once it's all strained, which it did take a couple of rounds because I have a small strainer, so if you're able to secure a larger strainer, it might work better for you. Once I've got a good amount, now it's time to let it cool down before we apply. So I like to use this flaxseed gel as a pre-poo, which is just a pre-step before you shampoo your hair, and I like to detangle my hair before I get in the shower to wash it. This helps me reduce the amount of breakage and shedding that I experience if I don't take the time to properly detangle my hair in the shower. Flax seeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which helps strengthen your hair, and as somebody with fine natural hair, that's really important to me because my hair is super fragile. It's also really good for moisture and helps you avoid stripping your natural hair when you go in with the shampoo. So I'm also using water in a spray bottle so that I'm working on damp hair, and my hair is also sectioned into 4 sections. If you have hair thicker than mine, you might have to use a few more sections, and you can see that I'm detangling. I'm using my fingers as well as my unbrushed brush that I love to use for detangling, and you can see the amount of slip from this flaxseed gel is crazy. Once each section has been fully saturated and detangled, I go ahead and twist it up so that it stays detangled and separated. I then let it sit for about 30 minutes or so, and you can also add heat if you want for a little deeper penetration, so you can sit underneath a hooded dryer, or you can just vibe out like I did. Once it's time to rinse out, I got in the shower and then started my hair wash routine. So I'm shampooing. I also like to double shampoo just to make sure that I get all of the gel out of my hair. It was so much easier to detangle and manage because of this flaxseed pre-poo. You can store any leftover flaxseed gel in the fridge for up to 1 week, but if it smells off, toss it and make a fresh batch. If this video was helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and also check out all of my other hair DIY tutorials here.